from your home sold guarantee realty. I have a new home coming on the market. It's a 20777 Crest Lane, Union C in Walnut. It's Diamond Bar High School. It's Diamond Bar School District, and you can walk to Diamond Bar High School. And there's also a park next to the home. And so I'm gonna show you through the home. So since I'm already in the master bedroom, so I'm gonna start with. So here's the outside of the home. So this is the master. Master bathroom, you have 2 closets, 1 on each side. So here's the double vanity, the shower stall, and the separate toilet room. So now let's go downstairs. So here's the view of the living room. So here's a view of the kitchen. Remodeled countertop, new appliances, and new stove. So the master bathroom was also remodeled, new countertop. So here's a downstairs bathroom. It's also remodeled with new countertop, new faucet, new light. So here's the living room. I'll show you the living room. Here's the front door. Hello, Eden. Downstairs living room. Here's the bedroom downstairs. High ceiling, as you can see. Right, high ceiling. So there you have it. So this is coming on the market. 20777 Ashker Lane, Unit C in Walnut, and the property it's a Diamond Bar School District. You can walk to Diamond Bar, and the home is also new interior paint. All the paint's interior new, remodeled kitchen, remodeled. Hi, Eden. Remodeled bathroom, and also new appliances. So this is Ray Chen from Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. So if you want to buy this home, give me a call 626-789-5768. 626-789-5768.